everyone. This is Ladia Ann, and welcome to Empowerly. And I wanted to just give you a little bit of some updates with the site. All right. Now, Empowerly is Scribble 1.0 upgraded to 2.0 with AI tools, which is really exciting. And not only that, he merged all his tools, Adil Chowdhury, he merged all his tools in one platform, one membership, and you will get excited because every month he is introducing a new tool every month. So if you look down the road in a couple of years, he's going to have over 37 tools in his marketing platform. So what's so exciting about it? Okay, the pricing. Now, it is so expensive if you buy and purchase a tool individually out there. It can add up, especially if they're monthly charges. You want to save thousands and thousands of dollars, right? So we're going to check out the pricing right now, and I'm going to go to the pricing and click. Okay, so far he hasn't upgraded the Tycoon cost, because later it's going to be $147 a month, even if it's still cheap. But if you want a huge discount, pay the $97 a month. Unlimited tools, guys, unlimited tools. It is best to upgrade all the way to Tycoon to get access of everything. All right, you can come in as a pioneer right here for $20 a month, and it will show you what you get. The only thing you don't get is the AI QR codes. Okay, so, and all the X's right here you do not get. You don't get live help. You don't get a dedicated coach. You don't get access future tools. You don't get suggest features, media library, live training, upgrades included, affiliate marketing, design agency. You do get the tutorials, membership, community, Scribble 2.0. You are limited to the AI credits. The platinum upgrades you do not have. The prime upgrades you do not have. Fantasia 3D upgrade you do not have. Job Finder upgrade you do not have. But you do have AI automatic writer and AI ebook maker, which is really great, because the computer AI is going to create that ebook for you. But you do not get AI coloring books. You're not access to it. You get 100 plus languages. No, you don't. AI artist QR codes. You don't get that either. Captured leads in PDF. You do not get that either. Ebook topic generator. You do not get that either. Interactive flip books. You do not get that. And commercial license. You do not get that. So the price of $20. It is best actually to get the unlimited Tycoon for $97 right now. The Mogul you are paying $47 a month. Okay, it is a good deal, but the only thing you don't get is the live help, the dedicated coach, the access of future tools, okay, suggested features. You also do not get the fresh new tools that come out every month. Just to let you know, you are only limited, but you do get Prime upgrade, and you get everything else here. Now, if you go to the Tycoon, right now it's unlimited resources. Everything is open to you. You get all the tools. You get the new tools every month included, all for $97 a month if you get in right away. Now, he did talk about he's going to go to $147. He hasn't made that changes right now because I don't see it changed, but he will change it very soon. So if I was you, I would upgrade right away. Now you get everything unlimited. Everything is open to you. You got everything. Okay, so all the features, all the newer tools. If you keep going down, look at, you get Teachingly, you get the email autoresponder, Landingly, Talkable, Okay, Submitter, Profit Studio, Income Genie, all unlimited to you, eCoverly. Okay, so if you're in a lower plan, you can see all the X's, all the orange marks are, you don't have access to it. It is going to be blocked. Okay, so the Mogul has more options, but it's still limited. You're not going to get the fresh new tools. Okay, so everyone is actually upgrading because you can't beat this price. Everyone, if you go outside and buy each tool somewhere else, it's going to be monthly charges. Now I have Pictory. I pay $17 for that, a month. And I got Canva. I pay $12 and $50 a month for that. I have other products too, but I'm still hanging on to those products. But I also have products that I own and I always purchase from other marketers out there that are actually really with making tools. I use Paul Pana. He is a video creator. He does video marketing and he has all his apps, and I trust him as well because he has a really good support behind. He's got a team that's good. He's not like part of the Warrior Plus or the JV Zoo people that put their products in there. Of course, he has his products there too, but he's not one of those that leave his products. He takes care of his products just like Adil does. So I have two people that I really trust is Paul Pana, Ponna. You can look him up. He does the video talking photo. He does all these creative animation videos. You can design. You can promote. He's got talking animations. He's really good with his people and his team. I've been with him for years. So before I came to Empowerly. So Adil also you can trust because he is very kind-hearted, just like Paul. They like to give gifts away, both of them, but they are very serious. They want to help people all over the world. So everyone just get excited because these two individuals, if you use both of their tools, you got it made. You just got it made. Okay, so I'm going to end this video soon, but this is what I wanted to share with all of you about the prices. And I can log in. Let me log in so you can just see the background of all the tools. And here, okay, that's my name, Lottie-Ann Silvas. You get the Scribble ebook AI that creates ebooks for you. You can do and create presentations. You can do animated covers, flip books, 3D covers. You get an autoresponder. You can mail and make funnel pages. This is a funnel builder, so you can send an email your list of people what products you have. So you can actually build your email list here. This is Talkable. You can create audiobooks. You can sell here with Skrindle. You sell ebooks with audiobooks. Okay, you can create audiobooks. You can market your book on the Skrindle marketplace, and you can make your own stores, to personal stores. I actually have like 2 or 3 stores, and I use one a lot, and I promote it too. And here you can make affiliate commissions here with Profit Studio. This is good for affiliate marketers. What's good is that you get the products before Warrior Plus gets it, or JV Zoo. You get it ahead of time. So this is really good. Okay, and then you have Income Genie. You can create designs here. You can make resumes. You can make business cards. You can make prints for your t-shirts. You can do all kinds of things with the Income Genie, and make logos too as well. Submitter, you can distribute your ebooks all over the world. Colorly, you can create coloring books at ease. It makes it and creates it for you. It even makes the cover page for you. You can make coloring books here and ebooks. Clickly is like Bitly. You can shorten your smart links. You can hide your affiliate links or whatever link, and change the name. And Voicely is like a tape recorder. It is awesome. Your voice sounds really good with creating this. And then you got QR codes. You can create unlimited QR codes, whatever business that you have, or whatever you are connecting with, or you want people to know you. You can use QR codes. You also have e-document signing here. There's a monthly charge with this because I found out that it's like $9 something a month. Why get it here? Because you get it unlimited time. You can use it over and over. Just by buying all these tools for $97, and there's going to be more tools, everyone. Just remember, every month he's introducing you a newer tool. Here's Taskly. I think it's going to come out in December. It's like an organizational tool where you can organize yourself. And then you have here what's coming soon. This is for January, February, and March, and then April, and then on and on and on. He's going to introduce more tools. And if you are grandfathered in for $97, you're going to have unlimited tools coming forth. And I believe in the future he's going to have video tools too as well. And I'm expecting that. But it's going to come to pass soon. Anyway, everyone, this is a little glimpse about the Empowerly 2.0. Enjoy it. Become a member. Order yours today. Become that member, and you're gonna have access to all these tools. Upgrade to Tycoon to get everything. All right. Take care, everyone. Bye.